Hello everyone, this is YouTubeBUDDY. In this video, we'll discuss about logical operators. Basically, there are three logical operators: AND, OR, NOT. To understand how this logical operator works, first we need to know the basic concept of binary language and the working principles of these logical operators. What is binary language? Binary language is that language which our computer actually operates on. Our computer understands only binary language. There are only two characters in binary language: 0 and 1. 0 means false and 1 means true. All the processing, whatever happens inside computer, those are simply obtained by these two digits, 0 and 1. We will understand the process of logical operators once we take a look on the table which contains the working principle for those logical operators. Here is the table for AND operator. First, keep in mind the symbol for this AND operator is double ampersand sign. Now we will understand the working principle for AND operator. AND operator takes multiple inputs and it returns a single output. If all the input values are 1, then only it will give the output 1. If one of the inputs is 0, then it will give output 0. As I have already told earlier, 0 means false and 1 means true. So you can take the same reference from this table. We have written some code on the basis of AND operator. So if you take the example of line number 19, it is saying true and true, so the output is true. In line number 20, true and false, so it is false. In line number 21, false and true, so it is false. And line number 22, false and false, obviously false. We will save and execute this code. You can see we got our expected output, that is true followed by 3 times false. Now we will take a look on the table of OR operator. First observe the symbol for OR operator is double pipe sign. And the basic funda for OR operator is it takes multiple inputs, and if at least one of those inputs is true, or you can say 1, you will get output 1. If all the inputs are 0, then only it will give you the output 0. Now we will see what will be the output for the below codes. For line number 19, it is saying true or true. So it should be definitely true. For line number 20, true or false. So it should be true. Line number 21, false or true. It is also true. And line number 22, false and false. So this is the only condition when you will get false. We will reiterate the fundamental logic for these two operators. In AND operator, if all the input values are 1, then only it will give output 1. And if at least one of the inputs is 0, it will give output 0. But in OR operator, if at least one of the inputs is 1, it will give output 1. And the only one condition when OR operator will give output 0 is when all the input values are 0. We will save and execute our code once again. You can see after execution we got our expected output, which is true, true, true and false. Now we'll discuss about NOT operator. First observe The symbol for not operator is an exclamation sign. Basic funda for not operator is very simple. If the input is 1, output will be 0. If the input is 0, output will be 1. Simply, if the input is true, output is false. If the input is false, then the output is true. If you take the example for line number 18, it is saying not true. That means false. And in line number 19, it is saying not false, means true. Very simple. We will save and execute. You see, we got our expected output in the integrated terminal. This is all about logical operators. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.